Today I'll be showing you how to make a keyhole buttonhole. For this demo I'll be using this piece of cloth. You can stabilize the fabric using interfacing if you think it is necessary. Mark the length of your buttonhole. The length should be just right, not too long, not too short. You can use any marking tool you like. Draw the circle for the keyhole. Now let's take it to the machine. This stitching is my guide and reinforcement for the fabric. I set the stitch length to 2. I am following the mark. I don't rush when I do this. I want to make this shape as nice looking as I can. It looks alright to me. Then I will make a cut here in the middle. For the round hole, I am going to use this tool. I'm going to use this tip, which is the right size for the hole. This tool has a mechanism that twists and cuts the material. It is sold with many tips with different sizes. Set. Push down with enough force. Sometimes you have to repeat the process. Continue making the slit. You can use whatever tools you have to make the hole or the slit. I am using a thick thread. This piece of thread will give body to the buttonhole. Start from underneath. Now watch this. The needle comes from underneath, then the thread goes under the needle, then around the needle, then push and pull. Again. Thread under the needle, around it, then push and pull. Repeat this process. Use stitching as guide. For the hole, make it a nice round shape. Now for the tail, just continue the same process. Then make the knot on the flip side. On the flip side, make the knot. Wrap around twice. Now here's the keyhole buttonhole. It looks alright to me. Thank you for watching.